Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another banger. Today we will be talking about Utherverse and Xeon, guys. So, well, before we jump into the video, as always I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So I know it's been a while since I showed you something on Solana, and actually many of you have been requesting Solana related projects in the comments, even in the DMs. So yeah, I do appreciate your support, I do appreciate your recommendations as well, guys. But you know that I always, and I mean always, look around, you know, try to find something promising, because on Solana there is a lot of projects growing every single day, and it's hard to find something truly unique in between of them. But I finally got lucky and found this Utherverse. So yeah, they have their token already launched and trading, so that's a great sign, and they are up quite a lot from the pre-sale, but now they are also in a slight little dip, which is kind of cool. I utilized the opportunity. I have like 2000-ish tokens. Can't remember the exact number, but yeah, like a few hours ago I decided to hodl some, so I have like over 2000 something ish. So yeah, I'm in this as well, just so you know at the very beginning of this video that I'm also hodling this token. But yeah, this is basically a metaverse, guys, and this is, as they say, the world's most advanced metaverse, and they are live. Okay, as you can see, Xeon is now in public beta for a limited time. Utherverse is free to download and free to play, which is great. So if you want to try it out, then you can register. As you can see, simple registration, email, password and birthday. That's basically that, and you can go ahead and test it. You have some sneak peeks and previews here on the main page, and there is also other pages which we will be reviewing today. But yeah, I want to make this video as informative as I can, I suppose. So yeah, that's basically that. So yeah, they have launched pretty much very recently, already showing some nice potential. Here is the graph, and as you guys can see, I mean, it was in the pre-sale, it was like, not to lie to you, I think it was 0.055, so that was like 5 cents. 5-6 cents you are able to buy, depends on the round, you know. I think it started with 5 cents, then maybe 5 and 6, so on. Anyways, guys, let's even say it was 6 cents, then after launch it just skyrocketed right over here, guys, as you can see, to a buck. Now it's at 36 cents, so even if you hodl from the pre-sale, then you are still up quite a lot, and that's great. But the thing is, guys, that they really are a unique project, one of a kind, and the market cap, okay, so the undervaluation that there is definitely what I looked at when I decided to buy some UTHX, because they are very undervalued in my opinion. Only 9.65 million market cap for a metaverse related project, which in this current bullish cycle people are really happy to explore all of these projects. And the thing with those is that many people are looking for unique metaverses and for products that already work, and well, here you can already participate and test it out, okay, so that's great. So UTHX tokens are now available for purchase, and you have some simple guides here. If you don't know how to buy, you can use your Phantom or you can use your Soulflare or whatever wallet you really want. Very simple, but yeah, you have some tutorials linked, which is always cool. And if you want to buy this, you just go to Jupiter Exchange, so you click this buy UTHX here on the website, and then it redirects you to Jupiter, and then through here, guys, you can buy the UTHX. And the way you do it is basically you connect your wallet again, and whatever amount you want to go in. As I said, I have like 2000, I believe it's 2400, not quite sure, but it's like roughly 1k that I've put in. Yeah, it would make sense, it's 2600, something like that is what I have. But yeah, as you guys can see, this is how you can simply purchase your UTHX by basically putting the number in USDC here or in Solana, whatever, because it at the end of the day it just swaps it for you. So that's the way it works, okay? So one Solana, for example, it will swap it to, no, it won't even swap it to USDC, I think, but it just goes directly here. And that's how much UTHX you are getting. Same with selling. I mean, I don't need to explain really, there is tutorials about that, just wanted to show you quickly. So just launched, host a free event. If you are a musician, comedian, influencer, public speaker, or if you have a project that wants a meetup or podcast or discussion, we have a spot for you. So this is great because you can utilize the metaverse to host different events, you know, for your community, for your fans, for your company, for your projects. Everything that is digital basically will benefit from this, I would say. So you can apply to have an event in the Utherverse and broadcast it out the web. Events are free to attend during our open beta, so be prepared for a large audience. Everyone you bring in will be considered a referral that you have made to the platform. You'll earn a commission if any of these users make qualified purchases. So on top of that, you know, you can get the exposure even from like other users. You can also make money by helping Utherverse. So, you know, it's very, very cool, I would say. Then you also have different explanations of what this is capable of. So as you can see, you have live performances, you can host live events, immersive venues, and you can get paid as well. So that's also cool because it lets you make money on the stuff that you do, whatever you are really doing, whether you are influencer, DJ, or as they say it here. Content production as well, you can showcase your content, exclusive screenings, and then again you can get paid. Art and design, limitless creations. Our sophisticated tools for artists and designers allow anyone to bring their visions to life within the metaverse, bridge the gap between virtual clothing, merchandise, and design with real-world sales. Then you also have integrated commerce, and again you can get paid for that. So yeah, the platform is basically for everyone, you know. Metaverse, like, even if you look at my channel, we talked about metaverses few years ago even, right? And I think nobody really thought at this point of time that this will get so big and so advanced like it is right now, for example, with Utherverse, and that will be widely accessible for really anyone in any sort of industry. Whatever your hobby is, you can somehow utilize the metaverse to make profit for you or to get audience, you know, to promote yourself. Sky is the limit, guys, okay? So that's lovely. And then meetings and conventions, again, this could be even for companies or for crypto projects or whatever you are really trying to host when it comes to any meeting or convention, as it says. So you can create virtual meetups. Our platform has handled numerous successful conventions that have had tens of thousands of attendees, exhibitors, sponsors, speakers, and performers. We specialize in facilitating, planning, and building virtual meetups. Then virtual meetings as well. Again, get paid, you feel me? And then you have events, host your own event, meet your dedicated events team. So you really can do a lot here. Imagine like rappers doing concerts in metaverses. That would be really, really cool. So far I know they've been, I believe, one concert in a game, in Fortnite game. If I'm kind of, you know, not so up to date with everything. But yeah, imagine they started doing those in Metaverse and like do like free events with possibility to donate, or do like cheap tickets, because at the end of the day this would be online, but you know, they could collaborate with, for example, Utherverse and work out something cool for the fans, you know. That's just one of the ideas that I have personally, and I know that the team here definitely has more ideas than I do, since they work with this every single day, right? So work with us, business developments and collaborations, as you can see. You can also apply here. Join the community. You can follow them obviously on their X or Twitter. I don't like to call it X, but I know I have to. And on their Discord, they are very active here, guys. 3,300 posts, so they are really, really active, posting everything really. You can also go and stake here, as you can see, earn up to 20% plus bonus month airdrop if you hodl more than 85% of your UTHX. Stake it, don't freaking sell it, alright? So, you know, they also run those events. They basically update you within everything that is happening within the metaverse. So if you want to be updated, definitely go ahead and follow this social media, guys. So you might think that this is it when it comes to their website, but in fact it's not. They have a lot more. So they have the patent section, and as you can see, they have been patented, so that's great. and it means that nobody can really copy them, and they are very serious about what they do. So I just wanted to show you this as well, and as you can see, you have the patent number, so you can go ahead and also verify it if you want. Active patent protection. So you know, it's great to see that they are unique, and as unique that they have patented their uniqueness and their features, right? So yeah, that's lovely. So let's go back to the main page, and now we can go back to archive again. So you have their mission, and you have some more sneak peeks of how it looks like, and obviously this will be improved and improved and improved, and already looks really cool. You can host different meetings, as you can see, have different characters and all of that. So while other companies have suddenly realized that the future of technology involves the metaverse, the team at Utherverse has been actively building it for past 17 years, which for me personally is mind-blowing, considering the fact that, as I said earlier in the video, 2-3 years ago, my mind couldn't really comprehend that pulling something like this off is possible, and possible on such a wide scale, and that there will be also a target to play those metaverses, to utilize them, and these guys knew it 17 years ago, which is, man, like, this is craziness to me. Next generation of the internet, the Utherverse is not just a metaverse, it is the next generation of the internet, decentralized metaverse led by a new and abundant generation of creators that is set to deliver interconnected, immersive experiences. The foresight and vision of our founder Brian Shuster has put the Utherverse in a key position as a hub around which other visions of the metaverse will eventually coalesce, interpolate, and cross-pollinate. And you can see some lovely design here. So the visionary starts with a clean piece of paper and reimagines the world. Really nice and really thoughtful quote here. So then again, you have some patents, you have the informations about the team and our community, some more sneak peeks, as you guys can see, which, you know, this video is already over 10 minutes long. I know that you are still watching, especially if I got you hooked with this, but I will leave some of those to explore for you, because this video would be an hour long if I wanted to show you all of it, and even in this hour I think I still wouldn't be able to. So you have their whole vision, you have their values, what they really want to pull off, then you also have a lot of information regarding each and every single thing being built here. Speaking of building, you can also build your own metaverse, as you guys can see, become a sovereign. Utherverse provides the tools and expertise, so you know, this is for everyone. As I said, if you want to bring your vision to life, then Utherverse is also for you guys. If you want to host events, if you want to host concerts, you know, anything really. So if you go to their Web3 section, you can check out the tokenomics and light paper. So the Uther coin utility token, as you guys can see, you have the whole total supply, which is allocated, in my opinion, very fairly, which you can also see right here on this graph, which is much easier to read. So yeah, that's how it is. Basically, that's how it is spread out, right? So you have all the information about the tokens, you know, the coin system, everything is explained right here. If you go back to the website for a second, if you hit more, then you can also check out their investors, their media articles, and other great stuff, okay? So that's basically this. If you want to go to operations, if you want to see more who is behind this and all of that, then you can also explore the website, check this all out, follow their social medias. They also do have this very detailed white paper, over 30 pages long, which already speaks good, and it contains a lot of information. And as you guys know, I always tell you in my videos to go through the white paper at least briefly, check out the stuff that is most interesting for you. Don't just ape in blindly, you know, I mean, whatever you want, it's your money, but always check out the white paper, see what the project has to offer, whether you like it, whether you want to go long term in this, and then you can basically go ahead and decide whether you jump in or no. What I wanted to highlight here is this development timeline, because I haven't found it on the website. Maybe it is also hidden somewhere, but it is definitely here in the white paper. So guys, this development timeline essentially shows you the long route that this project took to be developed, really, okay? So they have founded the company in 2005. You have, as you can see, all the informations regarding what has been launched in each year, what has been done, and what is upcoming as well for the next years. So we are looking for validator nodes as well. So many cool things, in fact. And then there is their founder and visionary, Mr. Brian here. So yeah, very experienced man as well. Big shout out to him. In fact, you have their partners, which are also big players in this crypto game and metaverse game, and overall big players, I'd say. And yeah, if you want, then you can go ahead check out this white paper to get some more information, guys. This will be it for me for today in this video. Let me know what you think about Utherverse. Let me know whether you check out Xeon, whether you will. Maybe you already experienced it, you know. I want to know, I want to read your opinions down below in the comments, and let me know whether you maybe hold some UTHX already or not. As I said, I'm hodling around 2600, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm very excited, to be honest, and I'm looking forward to see this being successful long term. Obviously we'll see how it goes, but it definitely has the great potential. Alright guys, it's me again with a little bonus before we end this video. So to those that stick till the end, you know, to those of you that didn't really turn off the video, this is a little shout out here for House of Web3. I really wanted to kind of spotlight their channel. I know that I'm not usually doing shout outs, but I mean, they deserve it, in my opinion. So yeah, before we wrap this up, guys, I want to spotlight them. They are the pioneering crypto concierge service that's revolutionizing how we learn about Web3. They are the first of its kind in the space. So whether you are puzzled about blockchain fundamentals or looking to master advanced concepts like asset bridging, their approach really stands out. So what makes them truly special is their personal touch. There is no AI chatbots here. Instead, you get real-time guidance from crypto experts through Google Meet, Zoom calls, in a space that's often clouded by complexity. They are bringing that much needed human element, guys. So in the age of AI, sometimes you just need to talk to a real person, right? It makes sense. And especially when it comes to something as important as your crypto holdings. So this is where you can ask House of Web3, guys. So I will link them also down below in the description of this video. And now seriously, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.